fantastic day, and I've seen the response what is happening. Amazing crowd already started here. Yesterday we had in Hyderabad a press conference to promote our country club Chalo Padaya scheme that we launched recently. That is doing extremely well, and just
We introduced Holi Pichkari car.
we introduced a new car called the Holy Piscari car, and that was very well received and by the media there, and it was more like a missile actually, a happy missile. From India we are going to Penang, we are going to Pattaya, we are going to Bangkok. These are the places where we have signed up already, and hopefully in the coming year we'll be able to target a lot of Asian countries where Indian tourists are visiting now. And Country Club will definitely be a catalyst to make sure that the members of Country Club really enjoy the facilities, overseas facilities.
And to sir, I would like to add here that that Holi Pichkari card was gifted by K. Sudhakar ji, who is a Guinness Book World Record holder and Olympic Book World Record holder. And sir is the only one who discovered him and given him the platform, and we had been associated with him since so long. So as always, sir has always given platform to all the young entrepreneurs, artists, and everyone, to shine bright.
Yeah, that is a fact. In fact, I don't know whether it is. I mean, it's destiny actually. Maybe Country Club is a platform where a lot of youngsters with talent get an opportunity to discover themselves. आप मैं बोले तो आप नहीं बिलीव करते हैं रेमो फर्नांडिस was first discovered by me फ्रेंड के पार्टी में 5,000 रुपये में आया था I called it to Country Club Hyderabad and a big show, a lot of publicity and all the members enjoyed. अभी रेमो फर्नांडिस is somewhere else. Dhiren Mehndi, Sushmita Sen got this very clearly. Sushmita Sen, when she was selected as the Miss Universe, I sent her an aircraft to pick her up and get her to the country club in Hyderabad. And we had a big show for her and she walked the ramp. And it was one of the most amazing shows of country club. That is as far as glamour is concerned, film stars are concerned. Salman Khan performed for country club, Shah Rukh Khan performed for country club, Govinda performed for country club, Hema Malini ji performed for country club. So all the top film celebrities performed for country club. And talking about sports, यही क्लब में बॉम्बे जब इनॉग्रेट कर रहे थे we had a glaze ball made 5 feet glaze ball made and Kapil Dev ji sat in the glaze ball thing and rode around the country club around Bombay. That is how we introduced country club to Bombay. To succeed in Bombay is not a joke. You have to be not only hardworking, you have to be convincing, you have to be innovative, you have to have the passion and you have to have the drive to attract the people of Bombay. Bombay is not a small thing. And we had also, apart from that, we had a good political patronage for the
Sir, it's a holy day. We wanted to wish the audience a happy Holi in your way, sir.
I wish all the members, non-members, all my friends, families, not only in the country but outside the country, a very, very happy Holi. And I'm sure, I think this Holi will bring a lot of peace. 2025 has been fantastic. 2026 has made a great beginning. And I'm sure, I think it's going to be great for all of us. Indian economy is booming, and I'm sure I think the boom will continue, and people will stand to be happy. Happy Holi again.
Happy Holi. Most important part आज मैं बताना चाहूँगी because as the philosophy of country club is bringing the people together, सब लोगों को एक साथ लेकर चलते हैं, एक साथ जोड़कर चलते हैं. और जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं कि ऊपर वाला भी एक तरीके से हमारी इस फिलॉसफी को सपोर्ट कर रहा है। रमज़ान भी चल रहे हैं और होली भी आ गई है, तो बोथ द फेस्टिवल आई मीन लाइक बोथ द इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग्स रिलीजियस थिंग्स आर कमिंग टुगेदर, तो ये अपने आप में ही डबल मजा कर दिया है। एंड वी आर वेरी हैप्पी बिकॉज कंट्री क्लब ऑलवेज सपोर्ट्स यूनिटी, so this Holi is very special for us. Happy Holi to all of you and happy Ramzan to all of you.
Sir, can we expect you also play Holi today? Can we expect you to enjoy like others? Holi?
Yeah, थोड़ा बहुत करना पड़ता ना है।
खेलेंगे
We'll definitely.
yes.
All the festivals in India, Holi, Baisakhi, Navratri, Ramadan, Christmas, New Year, Country Club celebrate because that is the one place where we can get everybody together.
Everybody, all ages. All roads will lead to country club as sir always says. This is happening. You can all see. I mean, like so much of crowd and everybody is enjoying like anything. And sir, so you are playing the Holi today, right? Yes. He's playing the Holi today.
Thank you.